What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Just got back from the gun shop, and we got something in the box. Yes, it is a CZ Scorpion EVO 3. It says S1, but I'm pretty sure this is actually the S2. But they probably just used the same instruction manual. Limited warranty. And here is the weapon of choice. The CZ Micro. Comes with your standard lock. Comes with a front sight key. 2 20-round mags. And what else? Oh, and I have already swapped out the ambidextrous safety, HB Industries. Very nice first mod, definitely. It's like a must. Okay, so taking a look at the pistol itself, I'm going to just barely get it on camera, but it is very nice. CZ Scorpion does come with Peep Sights, as you can see here. And they have like 4 settings. That one's like really small. I mean, that's cool, but I want a red dot, and I'm looking to get maybe the aim-point acro, but for right now I'll have to use these Peep Sights, which is excellent, because most guns do not come with irons. So this is a better look closer up at the front post. There's no paint or anything, it's just a black front post, and you can see it can turn from inside there. I do like this faux suppressor look. I'll probably end up getting a suppressor in the future, and I just haven't decided on which one. I might want to get the SIG 9mm, or I don't know, this kind of looks like an Osprey or something. But yeah, so I have not had a chance to shoot this yet. I just got this today. I will be doing that, I think, on Monday. It's Memorial Day. I might get a free range. So here are some of the controls. Right here is your mag release. This weapon is clear and safe. Really nice. Kind of rocks in there. Gives it a better, shorter little profile. They do have 30-round mags, which I'm going to get some. I don't want the clear ones, though. They do have solid black polymer mags that I will be getting. I think they're maybe like $10 more expensive, but I like the quality. I do not like this. I hope this loosens up. This is really stiff, and it's very hard to, it's easy to do that, but to get it back, I think it's this grip angle too. So I want to get rid of this grip with I think Magpul now has a grip, so I think that one might be an option for me. I know there's an Apex one as well. So here is the deployment. You don't have to press anything to get this thing out, which kind of helps, if you're deploying from a bag or something. And then it locks into place, and then you hit your plunger again, and it brings it back. There's a little bit of give, not much. It's not meant to be shouldered anyway. It's a standard brace. I like it. It's a fine brace. I don't think I need to upgrade this. Alright, so that is the right side. Oh, and the charging handle, it's non-reciprocating. Oh, I have a magazine in there. Oh, I didn't go home. So there we go. I cleaned this thing. I put some oil on it where the instruction manual told me to, so it's running really well. So that is, you just hold it and you can slam it home like a traditional MP5. Alright, so here is the left side, and as you can see, I have already deleted the ambidextrous selector, because this thing was, even in the store, it was very annoying. I like what they did. They did color in the indicator, so that is a plus. And you also have mag release from this side too, so if you want to you could strip it out from this side, whatever. Midwest or Magpul little finger stop, which is good, helpful since you're so close to the front. CZ Scorpion Micro. These are probably hard to come by. My store only had a few of them, and I wanted to get this one immediately. And I think they're actually sold out by now. Can't find it online, but there it is. CZ Scorpion Micro. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you guys later.